activity and new contracts were down last week, likely due to the elections. It's Friday, November 15th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Now that the elections are behind us, let the activity resume. New listings to hit the market are down 11.22% to 1,692. Coming soon inventory also dropped again this week, 7.5% to 960. 1,388 homes went under contract this week and 18 days fewer than last week. 1,004 homes sold this past week in 14 days at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals are up again this week to $2,795 for lease at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, November 15th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.